Hello, friends. I wanted to share a really cool game with you that will help our number sense, our algebraic understanding, and help us review what we've been working on in building skills for addition. We've been talking about how to make five. We can make five with 0 and 5. We can make five with 1 and 4. We can make five with 3 and 2. When we have two groups that we are bringing together, it's called addition. So when I have my 3 fingers and my 2 fingers and I bring them together, it gives me 5 fingers. We've been practicing this with 5 frames and 10 frames. We've been talking about number pairs. So that's when we have those the 3 and the 2, the 5 and the 0, or the 5 and the 5, 4, and 6 make 10. Those are all number pairs. We've been talking about these things throughout the year. Now we're bringing it all together to talk about addition. So let's play this game with ladybugs to help us practice all those things. We're going to do a couple of these together, and then in the description box below is a link to this game. It's also in our class Teams, and we can play it at home. So I am going to, there's my little light. I'm going to go to play all.
Move 3 bugs to the frame.
Okay, we're going to move 3 bugs.
Fill.
1, 2, 3. Now I'm going to press next. Oh no, first done, then next.
Done. Move 3 bugs to the frame.
1, 2, 3.
Done. How many squares are empty?
Full bug. Full bug. Not empty. Empty. No bug. Empty. No bug. Empty. No bug. 1, 2, 3.
How many squares are empty?
3.
How many more bugs to fill the frame?
Empty. 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 Time to fill. 1, 2, 3, 4. All full. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Move 5 bugs to the frame.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Use frames to find 1 plus 3.
We're going to take 2 groups and put them together. Red ladybugs. 1, because 1 is the first number in the equation. Now 3, because the number 3 is the next number in the equation. Blue bugs, 2 different groups.
Now combine the bugs.
1, 3. Put them together. Whew. We can make them fly. What does a ladybug sound like when it flies? What sound do you think it makes? Whew. That's what I think. Maybe you have a different sound. You can tell me later. Whew. 1, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. The reason why it's important to use our fingers when we're counting, there's a couple reasons. I'm getting you to go in the midline. That's helping your brain grow and move your body. It's helping our fingers get strong, and it's helping us remember and learn the numbers. When our fingers get strong, it makes it easier to write and use scissors. Those are all things we're working on. Let's click done.
Done.
All right, let's try figuring out. We said 4, right? Did we do that? I'm getting distracted. 1, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. We did it. Let's go back. 4.
1 plus 3 equals 4.
All right.
How many more bugs to fill the frame?
Empty, 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 empty. Let me show you another way to fill the frame. We know we have 5 empty boxes. What's it going to do? Look. Now we have 5. It took 5 to fill.
Use frames to find 5 plus 3.
We're going to practice 5 plus 3. Then I'm going to say goodbye so you can have a chance to practice at home. We have 5. Let's put 5 red ladybugs in the boxes. We could use ones, or we can use the group of 5. I'm going to use the group of 5 this time.
Done.
And now I need 3.
Use frames to find 5 plus 3.
1, 2, 3. I'll push
Done.
done. Now we need to put the 2 groups together. We have 5. We added 3 more. We put them together. We can count up from 5. 5, 6, 7, 8. 5, 6, 7, 8.
5 plus 3 equals 8. Move 5 bugs to the frame.
We'll play with more bugs later. Right now we're going to be all done with bugs.
Move 5 bugs to the frame.
Bye-bye, bugs. All right, friends, that was fun. So check out that link below and you can play the math game that will help you with your addition, with understanding number pairs, and don't forget to use your fingers so they get big and strong, ready to cut and write. Love you. See you later. Bye.